Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will share you some information about the message that you get from usually banks. So for example here State Bank of India. So you might have got this in your email saying that there is a notification receipt of inward switch message. So this means usually nowadays these YouTubers and all get paid through online payment, that is in the form of Swift bank transfer. So in that case, you might get this email from your bank and you might not see the money credited to your bank account because this is an advice of advance receipt of remittance. And it is asking here, please contact branch with relevant documents for further information. So I will tell you if you need to contact the bank to get that money in your bank account. So let me first tell you about Swift MT103 transfer. So MT103 is a standardized Swift message type that is especially used for a cash transfer from one bank to another anywhere in the world, provided they are members of the Society of Worldwide International Financial Telecommunications, that is SWIFT. So what is a Swift MT103? So the Swift MT is a globally recognized payment message and contains the necessary information such as amount, currency send date, value date, remittance information, payment reference, ordering customer, beneficiary, sending bank, receiving bank, and a SWIFT reference number. So once the payment is made, so this information is passed on to the sender and to the receiver. So this, in simple terms, it's a message that has been passed on to the sender and to the receiver. So there are different types of these transfers. When MT101 has been designed for corporates and allows for bulk payments. MT102 has been designed for multi-payment instructions between banks and financial institutions. So MT103, that is what you might get, has been designed for a single customer credit transfer. So you might see something of this sort in your email. So once you get this, what it means, there are cases where I have even received the same day. At the end of the day, the money got credited into my bank account, but it can take up to 4 to 5 days for this payment to process and to reflect in your bank account. So far, I have never had to contact the bank to get this money transferred into my bank account, and that is the same experience I saw with other people also. So once you get this message or email, you just have to wait for a few days for the money to get credited into your bank account. If it is not getting credited, then after 4 to 5 days, maybe you can approach the bank. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.